Welcome to Kwon's Corner. Today we're gonna do something different. I'm not gonna cook at all today. I'm in front of the Jjajangmyeon, which is a Korean Chinese restaurant, and I'm gonna try Jjajangmyeon challenge, which is a Korean Chinese black bean noodle. Let's get started. Oh my god, look at it! This is the normal size of the jjajangmyeon, but this is what I'm gonna try. I don't think I can do it. I feel like I'm a little defeated. Okay, besides the jjajangmyeon challenge, they have the 탕수육 sweet and sour pork challenge and a jjampong spicy seafood noodle challenge. It's huge. I did a little research and I heard this noodle itself is 1.7 kilogram. That's like, I don't think I can do it. I'm not sure I can do it. But let's find out whether I can do it or not. Let's go. I never came here before and I'm super excited. It looks so authentic. They use a red and they use the wood to give the Chinese aesthetic, and I feel like it's so authentic and feel like this jjajangmyeon will be really good. I have a feeling. So what I'm gonna do today is eating monster jjajangmyeon. This is literally called 괴물 jjajang. 괴물 is monster and jjajangmyeon is a black bean noodle. So it's literally monster black bean noodles. And I saw the picture outside, it looked huge, literally looked like a monster. And I don't know, I only feel like I got defeated, but since you guys like the last challenge, my cutlet challenge, I will try my best. I practice a lot, I eat noodles a lot. I made like a bunch of like Korean ramen noodles act and I practiced. Now I can like suck it really fast, so hopefully I can succeed. Challenge is, how much was it? I don't even know how much was it. Okay, here's a jjajangmyeon, $19. But if you finish the whole thing under 12 minutes, it's free. You don't need to pay for anything, and I didn't bring my wallet. No, just kidding. Yeah, I will try my best to save money. So let's order. I don't know. I'm so excited. I'm super hungry. 저기요. 네, 그 괴물 짜장면
네.
하나 주시는데 이거 12분 안에 해야 되는 거죠?
제한 시간 12분이에요.
12분이요? 1.7kg라는데 맞아요? 많이?
무게만 1.7kg 돼요.
몇만?
몇만?
아 그래요? 많이 성공해요?
10%가 안 되는 것 같아요.
10%가 안 된다고요? 알겠어요. 그거 하나만 주세요. 네, 고맙습니다. Okay, I talked with the owner and less than 10% succeed. I will try my best to beat the 10%. He say only noodle is about 1.7 kilogram. As far as I know, normal human cannot eat 1 kilogram of food. It's really hard to eat. But 1.7 kilogram of noodles? I feel like I'm gonna waste money, but who knows what. If you see like on the wall, there are a lot of like autograph from the celebrity or the streamer or YouTuber. I feel like I want to succeed and write my autograph on the wall. Yes! Jjajangmyeon is a Korean Chinese black bean noodle. I already covered the recipe in my YouTube channel. If you like to learn, you can click here. Funny thing about jjajangmyeon is, to Chinese, it is Korean food, and to Korean, it is Chinese food. What is wrong with this food? It is because like long time ago, Chinese worker came to Korea and started selling jjajangmyeon. If I'm pronouncing wrong, I'm so sorry. Original jjajangmyeon was not black at all, but since time passed, it got Koreanized and it became black and got so popular. And when my mom was young, jjajangmyeon was super expensive food. Like not many people can have it. So they usually ate it at special occasions, such as a graduation or moving day or birthday. Like they're having like a luxury food for celebrate something. But since time passed, like jjajangmyeon became super cheap, and it is known as the best delivery cheap food in Korea. So I think cheapest jjajangmyeon that I ever seen was like $2. That's how cheap it is. So when I was young, popular song was about jjajangmyeon. Like a G.O.D did a jjajangmyeon song. What the frick? 오, 너무 큰 거.
다 비비시고.
다 비비고.
이제 타이머 가져올게요.
아 비비고 난 뒤에.
네, 준비되셨나요?
네, 알겠습니다. Okay, they brought the giant monster jjajangmyeon, and I'm not sure I can eat it. It seems super heavy, like itself. And he said like it start after I'm mixing it, so I'm gonna start mixing it. And they even give me a seizure because it's super big. Let me mix it. I don't even know. Oh my gosh, I can't even mix it well. I don't know. 미쳤다. 와, 이걸 한다고? 아씨, 아우, it's heavy. It's very heavy. Okay, I cut it. It's all about muscle practice. Suck, chew, swallow. I can't even mix this. Oh, my arm hurt. It's super heavy. It's like working out. It is not well mixed yet, but noodle becomes like swollen and get bigger when time passes. So if I waited long, it will be double the size. So I think I should start eating and mixing it at the same time. And that's my tactic. I don't know if it will work, but I will ask him. 저기 타이머 갖다 주실 수 있어요? Oh, smells super good.
시간은 12분이고요.
네.
면만 다 드시면
아, 면만 먹으면 돼요?
네, 소스는 남기셔도
시작하기 전에 제가 누르면 또 되죠? He gave me a timer. It's set to the 12 minutes, and he told me I just need to finish the noodle and not sauce. So that's better. So 3, 2, 1. Okay, am I ready? I'm not ready. I'm super not ready. Okay, let's go. Oh my gosh, it's really good. I gotta explain, but I gotta eat first. Even I didn't mix well because I didn't have a time. The sauce is super rich and super savory, and I really like it. It's super heavy. Ooh, compared to other places, this jjajangmyeon is more smoky, and I really like the smoke flavor. 맛있다. I feel like I ate a lot, but why is there still so much left here? I'm eating so much though. He said I should just eat the noodle, but vegetable and a meat is super tasty, so I want to eat it with the sauce. I really like how they cut the pork. Like if I get some jjajangmyeon from some bad place, they like diced it. Oh yeah, what? 너무 많다. How do they succeed this thing? 저기 고춧가루 있어요. 고맙습니다. Since I'm eating so much, it's a little like oily, so I'm gonna put the like a spicy pepper to cleanse it out and make the different flavors so I can eat it more. I really like their pepper flavor. It changed the flavor so much. I like it. I feel like it's getting bigger in my stomach. I've been eating it, right? I've been eating it, right? Why does it look like I didn't eat? Stop giving me a pressure. Oh, 아파. I think it's getting bigger. Why did I do this? I'm crying. I'm crying. I can't swallow. I can't swallow. I'm sweating. It's spring and it's still cold outside, but I'm sweating. 아파요. Maybe if I get a cola, it will be helpful, right? 저기 콜라 하나만 주실 수 있어요? 네, 고맙습니다. Ooh, feels better. Ooh, it's going down. Oh, I can eat more now. Oh, let's stop again. 너무 추워. Stop seriously, 안 추워. 뭐. I'm crying. 안 돼. 못해. 안 돼. There's no way I can finish this. 아, 아파. 아, 진짜 아파. 아니, 진짜 농담이 아니고 진짜 아파. 진짜. Every time I move, it's picking my stomach. Like it's, I don't know. There's a sharp thing on my stomach. It's, I can't move. Every time I move, it hurts. 30 seconds. Even they gave me 10 more minutes, I don't think I can finish it. Every time my stomach moves, like even when I talk, it hurts me. It's like there's a needle in my stomach, and every time I move, it's poking every place. It's like, but it was really cool. Like everything was stuffed like this much. When I drink a Coke and when I burp, it went down a little bit, and I could eat it a little more. But after that, like I felt like I was gonna throw up. But it was kind of cool that it actually worked. 근데 아프다. 진짜 아프다. Okay, now I'm trying to explain. Okay, when I had a first bite, it was really like a fantastic, like paradise in my mouth. Like I really like how they cut it and how they flavor it. The flavor was really rich, and they cut the vegetable and the meat like perfectly, like big chunks. That's how jjajangmyeon should be. And I really like how they cut the meat. Some place they dice the meat and you can't taste the texture, but this plate has a big chunk. I can taste it so much, and I really like it. But I hate it now. Don't make me smile. Every time when I smile, it hurts. Like I failed miserably. I don't understand how people actually finish this. I'm gonna put the location down below, so if you ever visit Korea, try this. It's really yummy. And if you try, please send me through the social media, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Kwon's Corner subreddit. I'm gonna put the link down below. If you guys have any other challenge that you want me to do, please comment down below, then I'll make sure to cover it in a future episode. See you next week. 안녕. After I finish it, Sarah tried to eat it, and I feel like nothing changed.
I'm full.
Hi guys, I have a really big news for you guys. I finally launched Kwon's Corner website. Woohoo! In my website, there's gonna be recipe, video, blog, so make sure to sign up the Kwon's Corner newsletter so you don't miss anything. Also, I opened the Patreon if you guys are interested in helping me in future quality contents. You can check in my website or in the link down below. I have so many plans, so keep your eye on my website. If you like this episode, please hit subscribe and the like button. And if you want to see more video, it's over there and over there. And if you have any requests, please comment down below. I'll make sure to cover it in a future episode. See you next week. 안녕.